Hello guys, welcome to Uncomplicated Legal Notes. This is Neha Kushwaha and today we are going to solve part 8 and part 9 of Registration Act 1908. This is part 8 of MCQ series. This MCQ series is dedicated to Bare Act only. So yeah, ऐसे ही हर एक वीडियो में पार्ट वाइज आपको MCQ सॉल्व कराए जाएंगे. So without wasting time, let's begin with the first question. Section 40 question number 1. Who may present a will for registration after the death of the testator under section 40 subsection 1? Option A, only the legal heirs. Option B, the sub-registrar. Option C, any person claiming as executor or otherwise under a will. Option D, the registrar. So the correct answer is option C. Any person claiming as executor or otherwise under a will. Right? Next question. According to section 40 subsection 2, who can present the authority to adopt for registration after the death of the donor? So the correct answer is B, the adoptive son or the donee. Right. Now, section 41, question number 1. Under section 41 subsection 1, who can present a will or authority to adopt for registration in the same manner as any other document? Only the registrar, the registering officer, the testator or donor, the sub-registrar. So the correct answer is C. Right. Now moving towards next question. A will or authority to adopt presented by a person other than the testator or donor shall be registered only if which of the following conditions are satisfied by the registering officer? So the correct answer is C. The will was executed by the testator or donor and they are dead. Right. Now the next question is question number 3. As per section 41 subsection 2, this is clause C, right? ये हमेशा ही गलत हो जाता है मेरा, but it's okay. The person presenting the will or authority must be. The correct answer is C. Entitled under section 40 to present the same. Now part 9 of Registration Act 1908, the deposit of wills. Section 42 से 46 तक है ये part. Section 42 question number 1. Under section 42, a testator may deposit his will with the registrar. The correct answer is B. Either personally or through a duly authorized agent. Right? या तो वो खुद जाके कर दे विल को डिपॉजिट या फिर कोई ड्यूली ऑथराइज्ड एजेंट है उसके थ्रू करवा दे, है ना. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The will deposited under section 42 must be in. The correct answer is C. Question number 1. On receiving the sealed cover containing a will, the registrar must transcribe the superscription in which register book? So the correct answer is C, register book number 5. Right? Now, question number 2 is, after noting the details, where must the registrar place and retain the sealed cover? The correct answer is C, in his firebox. Right? Now, section 44, question number 1. Who can apply for withdrawal of the sealed cover deposited under section 42? So the correct answer is C, the testator personally or through a duly authorized agent. Question number 2 is, before delivering the sealed cover, the registrar must be satisfied that. So the correct answer is B. The applicant is actually the testator or his agent. है ना? Now, section 45, question number 1. Upon the death of the testator who deposited a sealed cover, who may make an application to the registrar to open it? Which one is the correct option according to you? आप बताएं. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप देंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर डज द रजिस्ट्रार कॉज द कंटेंट्स of the will to be copied after opening the sealed cover on testator's death? Okay, the correct answer is C. यहाँ पे आपको आंसर दिख ही गया है. Now, question number 1, section 46. Save the operation of which enactments regarding wills? The correct answer is B. Indian Succession Act 1965, Probate and Administration Act 1881. This is 1865. This is 1881, right? Question number 2. When a court orders the production of a will, what is the registrar required to do if the will has not already been copied under section 45? The correct answer is C. Open the cover, copy the will into book number 3 and note that the original has been sent to the court, right? So yeah guys, that's all for today. If you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel, share करें, like करें, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं चैनल को वीडियो देखने के बाद. थैंक यू.